What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and today is I guess a rewind day. We're going to be actually doing a recipe that I've done before, but it's what actually started this whole entire channel, and we're doing chicken wings. Yeah, I did the recipe before. I did it in the Instapot, but today we're actually doing it in the MultiPot by Mealthy. So let's get started. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, and half a tablespoon of paprika. You'll need 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of water. And you'll also need 2 pounds of chicken wings. So that's this beautiful device. Let's get it going. We're gonna hit saute. Automatically we'll hit it to 30 minutes. We'll go ahead and pour our oil directly into the device. Now, it doesn't really matter what device you have, but I can definitely tell you so far I'm enjoying this Mealthy MultiPot. Seems pretty interesting. It has a couple of cool gadgets on there that other devices don't have. So we're gonna go ahead and put in our chicken wings. That's 2 pounds of chicken wings. We're gonna give it a light coating. We're gonna put our ingredients in. So that was salt. We're gonna go with some black pepper. We're gonna go with some paprika, give it that nice smoky taste. And we're gonna go with some chili flakes to give us some heat. Now, if you don't like heat, you can always take out the chili flakes, but it's a nice little kick. So we'll go ahead and stir that around, make sure it doesn't stick to the pan, make sure it's fully coated. And before you know it, you got a little bit of a light browning on there. We're gonna go ahead and start putting in our water. So we're gonna put 1 cup of water in. We're gonna give it another little bit of a stir, make sure that there's nothing sticking to the bottom of that pan. Put our lid on, make sure it's nice and sealed. And then from there, we're gonna be turning off the saute feature, hitting it on poultry, and we're gonna go to 10 minutes. Comes with an amazing quick guide, tells you how to do all these great things if you don't know exactly what temperature to put it to. But it also has this nice little graph that you can see on the screen, and it shows you when it's going to be coming to an end and when it's getting to that pressure point, which is also really unique as well. So great job on that, Mealthy. So there you go. There's our chicken wings. Now, if you do have a Mealthy crisp lid, you can also do everything in one pot. There's no need to dirty up your pots when you can do it all in the Mealthy pot. But if you don't have this crisp lid, you can definitely just put these pieces in the oven and put them on broil for about 5 minutes. Now there we go, we got them in our wired mesh basket. Now this comes with the crisp lid, comes in 2 different sizes. There's a deep one and there's a shallow one. Right now I only have the standard one, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Now when you're using this device, you cannot have your Mealthy MultiPot on. You wanna have that plugged out and turned off. You wanna go ahead and set it for 10 minutes. It's at 425 degrees, and wada boom, we are done. Look at that. These are super crispy, super nice, and super easy. And that's what this device is all about. And this is why I love cooking with any kind of pressure cooker. But this one so far has my eyes on it. It's doing a pretty good job. Look at those wings, guys. Nice and crispy. And the best part is because you actually tenderize them, you're actually gonna be able to get nice moisture out of them. They're not gonna be dry. They are super, super moist and flavorful. So enjoy, great for any kind of sporting event. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Go to www.mealthy.com. You can save $10 if you use the coupon code BubbaD's. Jam out to the song. Enjoy.
Just a bit of sugar.